Hello there, modern man. Do you want to know what one thing you can do to boost your bedroom performance that will fix your ED right away? In this episode, I'm going to tell you how to do that. It's your best secret weapon. I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a sexual medicine specialist. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. What I talk about, the one thing that you can do that will give you an erection within minutes, even if you have ED for a decade or more. And that will even boost your performance and also give you more confidence. What I'm talking about is the penis pump. I want to take the penis pump out of taboo, out of being dirty, out of being negative, and take it out of the closet to mainstream into something that you need to do as often as common as brushing your teeth. Because as a man, your penis is an organ, it's a muscle, it's a smooth muscle. So it's not exactly like this muscle in your bicep, but it's a smooth muscle. And if you don't use that muscle when you have an erection, then it's not being exercised, it's not being put to use. So if you don't use it, you lose it. So if a man doesn't have an erection, let's say his wife is away for a few months, or if you start noticing ED, then the penis doesn't get to expand out or be full of blood, and therefore you can run risk of the penis being small or atrophy or shrinkage. So when the penis muscles shrink, then you start to lose muscle fibers, and then you start to develop scar tissue in the muscle itself, like along right here. So when you want to get an erection, when you're stimulated, you're hot and heavy, you find out that, oh my goodness, your erection's not as firm. Because in order for the penis to be filled up with blood, that's how you get an erection. The blood gushes down and expand the muscle. It's hard to expand if it already has scar tissue in there. So it's a lot of resistance. It's hard to expand when the muscle is already shrunk a little bit. So it's kind of like your biceps muscle. You've been going to the gym and exercising it regularly, then you'll see it bulk up. But if you haven't gone to the gym or been doing your biceps curl, then you notice that the muscle start to shrink. Your penis is no different. I have seen many men in my office that come to see me for ED, and their penis has shrunk to about the size of my thumb. And that's not their usual size because they haven't had an erection or they never used the penis pump. Now, 99% of the men I talk to have never used the penis pump. Well, it's your best friend, guys, because this penis pump here, what it will do, it will give you an erection within minutes because it will create a vacuum. You put it in the penis here, and it will create a vacuum by you creating like a negative pressure, and it pumps it up like this, and it will help you get an erection within minutes. So it's your best exerciser for your penis if you're not having erection during intercourse. And you can do the penis pump. I recommend you do it every day if you have ED for at least 6 weeks, and then you're going to see improvement in the elasticity of the muscle as well as more blood filling in there, breaking up the scar tissue. If you don't have ED, you should do it for maintenance. All right, maintenance is 3 times a week or 2 times a week. And the reason to do it is if you're not having sex 3 times a week, then you need to do a penis pump. Every man over the age of 30 should be considered using the penis pump. You're not sexually active at least 3 times a week. The studies have shown that men that have erection and sexual activity of 3 times a week or 21 times in a month live longer, are happier, and have less chance of getting prostate cancer. So a lot of reasons why having sex is helpful for your health. Are you struggling and frustrated in finding a solution for ED? Well, I have just the thing for you. It's called the Modern Man Club, led by yours truly, Dr. Ann. Together, we're redefining male sexuality and embracing a holistic approach to overcoming ED without medication or surgery. I will provide a protective environment for a community and proven strategy to overcoming ED.
It is a safe place, expert coaching by me and my team. We provide holistic approach to overcoming ED and an empowering community of men with ED supporting one another, and lots and lots of educational resources. Visit mensexualityclub.com at the link here on my right and connect with us and reclaim control over your sexual health. I'll see you there.
So, how do you do the penis pump? So, the key to doing the penis pump is to know that it's for your health. It's not dirty. It is okay to exercise your penis. There's a reason why the penis is in your body. There's a reason why it's in the middle. So, it's okay to exercise. If you don't exercise, it's going to shrink on you. So, use the penis pump as an exerciser. You don't need the penis pump if you're already meeting par, which is having sex 3 times a week. Now, when you start using the penis pump, the key is putting the gel on the base of the penis and also on the shaft of the penis on both sides, and generously apply it to the base and to the shaft. Now, I do recommend that you do trim the hair in this area or even shave it, because it's going to help you create a better seal to put on the shaft as well as the base. And then when you put it in, I put a rubber on here because you want to create a tight seal, and press it against your pubic bone. This is your pubic bone here. Press it against your pubic bone to create a tight seal. When you put it in, make sure that the penis is on the base of the cylinder, so that way it doesn't curl. Sometimes you'll see it curling to the side or to bend the other side. You want to make sure that you put it in and kind of like put it at the base on the bottom of the cylinder. Generously have a lot of lubrication. Once it's pressed against the pubic bone, you can either stand against a wall, or you can sit on a chair or sit at the side of the bed, whichever way you prefer. So this is a 2-hand technique. One hand holding the cylinder, the other hand you do the pump like this. And what this does is that it suction air out, creating a tight suction on the penis. You press this cylinder down against your pubic bone and you start doing this lever. You don't want this to go more than 10. There's a number there, you can see 10. You don't want to have it more than 10. Most of the time, you'll get an erection at around between 5 to 8. So once you do this and you get about 85 to 90% erection in the cylinder, you want to leave it in the cylinder for 10 minutes. And sometimes you'll lose some air. All you need to do is you can release a little bit of air like that, pressing on the lever, and then pump again to get some air in. But you want to leave it in here for 10 minutes. And then once that's done, and you just press this button here to get the air out, and then you finish. Sometimes you can also put constriction ring or penis ring at the base to maintain the blood to stay on the penis once you're done with using the penis pump. And you can put the ring at the base of the penis to have intercourse, so that way you maintain that erection. And the key about doing pumping is that you get an erection within minutes. You're exercising your penis, you're bringing oxygen into the penis, you're filling the penis with blood, you're breaking up the scar tissue, but you're also helping the penis heal by expanding the muscle. You're helping the penis heal. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormones naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So it also gives you a sense of confidence as well too, because you're finally seeing your manhood erect in a long time. Sometimes you haven't seen it like that in years, but now you can. It also gives you hope. So it's giving you confidence and hope. And if you do the penis pump before sex, let's say even 30 minutes or an hour before, or even a couple of hours before you have intercourse, it will actually help you with premature ejaculation. Yes, it will also help you get stimulated better. It will also help you have a firmer erection as well. So it's almost like priming the penis before a sexual activity. So that way, when the time comes, it's ready to go. It can be used as a treatment for ED. In fact, the FDA has approved the penis pump as a device for treatment of ED, and that has been since the 90s. And it is a form of treatment for ED. But not a lot of men know that there is a penis pump that's available to use. Of course, there are other things you can do too for treatment of ED, but I just want to focus on one thing that will give you an erection within minutes. Even you haven't had an erection in years, and that you can see your manhood again after not having seen it, and also giving you the confidence that you can really rehab this, that you can really have control over getting your erection back again. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. So that's what I want to focus on. The one thing that you can do if you have ED is start using the penis pump to rehab your penis. Start a relationship with your penis again. It's not just an appendage that is on your body. Take care of it, exercise it, and nurture it. Have a relationship and feel it. Let it know that you love it, you care for it, that you are there. And it's not dead, guys. If you have ED, your penis is not dead. It is there. It just needs to be reawakened. It needs to be nurtured. It needs to be boosted with the penis pump. And this is something that you can get right away. Check out our store at ednomore.com to get the penis pump. We give you the lube that you need as well. And we also have the constriction ring or the penis ring to use along with that. So there are exercise equipment for your penis, and it's not dirty. It is really developing a relationship with your penis. Same way you have a relationship with your hair. You take care of your hair, care of your teeth, take care of your skin. Why can't you take care of your penis the same way, guys? So it is a win-win situation. It builds confidence. It helps you prepare before you have intercourse, and it actually helps with premature ejaculation as well. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the channel, get notified, and share it with somebody you think will be helpful. Let me know what you think about this, and just know you are not alone. There are alternatives to ED. That's why I created the Modern Man Club. It's a discreet space where I coach you to give you the roadmap of what you need to do to get to performing again, because all you need is somebody to guide you to the step. You can get your erection back. You do not have to suffer in silence. So check it out at a Modern Man Club at noedman.com. And having said that, I will see you in the next episode. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.